Hello everyone and welcome back. It's been a while because beauxminis studio had to move. Yes, I had to pack everything up and move. So what you're looking at is the new studio. This here is the old studio. Remember I posted how tidy and neat it was and I couldn't even work because it was too tidy? That was me getting ready to sell the house. It's a done deal. Now here's the studio, everything that came from the other house, plus a whole bunch of other things that were not in the studio over at the other house had to come into this space. I can't even tell you how much stuff there is here. There's a lot to unpack. I'm looking forward to the new space. It's really nice and bright. But before I think about that, I have to think about all this unpacking, where everything's going to go. I have lost a really nice workstation that I had because it was too big to come into this space. And now I am faced with what to do. I have some tables, I have some boxes of you name it. I've got it, and I took over a huge collection from someone who's no longer doing miniatures, and this is all going to get priced and sorted for the show that's soon to come. To be exact, September 10th in Burnaby, and that's the Vancouver Dollhouse Miniature Show. So I'm getting all of this ready to go. This is about a week after I moved in. Still a lot of sorting to do, but now I've got tables all around the perimeter of the room, and I intend to put tables in the center where I could use as a workstation. And also here, this is the closet. I have two of these closets, and they're not totally full yet, but they're this is in the main bedroom that I took over for a studio, and this is a his and hers closet, and everything sort of went in there. And yep, here I finally took the plastic wrapping from the bins, from the drawers, and I've added a table. Judy came over to help sort out and price, and she added her little table, so we made a square in the center of the room. A lot got done. We are just pricing and sorting and getting ready for the show. This little cabinet contains items that I do not want to get rid of, and it seemed like I was putting a lot more stuff in there. That wasn't the idea, but anyway, here it is. Hope to give you another update soon, and it will be a little bit better. See you next time. Thanks for watching.